Alright guys, so we seem to be having a little issue here. Taking out all the plugs, all 12 of them, that's right. For some reason it's just not starting up. We're getting a few pops and bangs, but it's just not starting or idling or anything, so I'm not exactly sure what's wrong. But I have taken out those 6 plugs. As you can see, the stacks are off there, so, and they were wet and dirty and gummed up and stuff, so I'm going to take these 6 out and I'll show you in a minute what they look like, and then put them back, turn the key and see if it fires up. I like to do them 3 at a time, so I'll first do these 3, check the plugs, clean them, put them back, and then I'll do the back 3 over there. Okay, so these are the first 3 that I was telling you about, and you can kind of see, focus, you can kind of see that they are really bad. So, and these are the only first 3, and the other 6 on the other side there were actually just as bad, but I've got those cleaned and already in. So we'll get this cleaned up, get the other 3, and then boom, let's see what happens. Click. 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 Just a quick helpful tip for us YouTube mechanics. I just want to spray a little bit of WD-40 and you inject the plugs. I guess you can also do it on your injector plugs, but these are for the coils. See, it's got a little rubber seal inside there. You want to get that nice and lubed up, so when you do refit it, it goes back on real nice. That's what's up. See how easy that goes. Done, son. Oh, she's close. She wants to. Oh man. Alright, cool, let's try this again. Hopefully we have better luck this time. Seems promising. Okay, so most of you are probably wondering why I'm trying to get it started. Well, obviously I want to take it for a drive, but the main reason is I'm doing a massive rebuild, and obviously I don't want to go and tear into it, and then when it comes time to put everything back together, I can't get it started, and I'm thinking, okay, cool, was it starting before or after the rebuild? So this is going to be a series that you definitely don't want to miss out on. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Also turn your notifications on so you don't miss out on the daily uploads. Because guys, this is something that you're not going to want to miss out on. In the next video, I'm going to be letting you know exactly what we're going to be doing in the rebuild, and it's going to be insane, I can tell you that. Don't forget to check out my Instagram at that V12 Miata, bruh, for pre-release content, something you don't want to miss. And I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.